Hello guys, I'm Vivek and this is my very first YouTube video, and in this video I will discuss with you a very simple concept of static keyword in Java. So let's see how static keywords work and helps us in different scenarios and what exactly static keyword is. So let's start. So first of all I will open an online code editor. So for that I will simply search online Java compiler. So this is my favorite online compiler because it's completely simple and straightforward. No need of any additional compilation procedure or any other steps. So let's start. So today we are going to see static keyword in Java. Okay. So to explain this concept of static keyword, let me write one program. I will side by side explain you what is happening in the program. So let's suppose I want to build a Java application which can calculate a total simple interest that is applied on the amount which is taken by the farmer from the bank. So let's suppose there is a group of farmer who is which is like taking a loan from bank, and that loan might be anything like 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. And what is happening is like farmer can choose the amount of loan that he want to take from bank. Bank has not made any kind of compulsion on that. Similar to that, the amount of time period for which the farmer want to take the loan, that also can be decided by the farmer itself. That is his own choice. And what is remaining is like rate of interest. So now rate of interest is such a thing which will be decided by the bank only, and farmer will not be able to decide it. It will be any figure, like fixed figure, that can be 3%, 4%, or something like that. So to explain this concept of static keyword, I will write a simple program of simple interest here in Java. So we know the formula of simple interest, that is principal, that is amount of loan or amount that is taken from the bank, rate of interest and time. So let's declare some variables like integer p, that is principal, then r and n, or let's say t, time period, t for time period, and si. And the amount can be in point as well, float as well, and simple interest can also become in float. So I will declare all these values as float. So side by side, let us also take import one library, that is for the scanner class. Import java.util.scanner. So we are using the Java utility package, and inside that package we have one class, that is a scanner class. So for taking the input from user, we'll create the object of scanner class using the new operator like this. So what is our next step? To take the input from user. So let's suppose we have three farmers. So what we will have to do? We will create one class. So This is a simple program. First of all, I will explain you a simple program, and after that I will introduce you with the object. Like I will do the same program using object. So first of all, this is a simple program, simple one, and not this program is not involving any kind of object. So I will simply grab the input from the user. So let's suppose I will take the input p equal to scan dot next int t. So we have already decided that we are going to take number of years, that is time period, and the principal amount from the user. And the next is what? Rate. So I will keep rate as 3%. So let's apply our formula of simple interest, that is principal into rate into time divided by 100, and we will simply print the simple interest calculated. For that we have one shortcut, that is print ln. We will simply print simple interest is SI. This will come in curly brackets. So let's try to compile and run this program and see if any kind of error occurs. So first of all, we will enter principal amount, that is let's enter 1000 rupees. Then we will enter, and we will let's suppose we are taking the loan for 3 years. So simply we have got the simple interest 90 years. So after the 3 years, the simple interest that will be applied on the 1000 amount will be 1000 rupees. So overall 1090 rupees will be paid by the farmer. So this was a simple approach, but this is a simple program. It is good for academics, but what if we are creating this program in the real life scenario? So for that we will have to create one object. Let's say I will create one class. I will name it as interest calculator. So what is my first step? To declare some instance variable. So I will pick these variables. I will simply cut them and paste here. Now let's say I have 3 farmers. So where these farmers are taking loan, and for taking loan we are taking into consideration different attributes of the loan, that is principal, rate, and time, and simple interest. So to bring this concept into real life scenario, I will have to create the object of this class, that is interest calculator. So I have here created the object of the class. You can also create it in the single line. I will use 2 lines to create an object. So let's see here. I have created one object. Let's say this is object 1, and suppose in this current system we are having 3 farmers, so we will create 3 objects. And this is only declaration of reference variable or class type variables. We do not create object by this statement. Objects are created in the memory once after writing this statement using new operator. This object 2 and this object 3.